Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Olaf with Resilience Glass. We just finished the shower and it came out amazing. I need to show it to you. This right here, custom textured 90-degree shower with polished nickel hardware, 45-degree back miter corner with no hardware. We wet seal it for a nice look. Coming over here to the caulking line, nice tight seam all the way down the wall. Coming across the bench, notched glass, and the door, a credit card couldn't even fit through that. Polished nickel hardware. You know who to call. Resilience Glass, 805-253-3514. Thank you.